royal subjects.
Here it is, here it is. The only thing worse than the mindless adolescent direction is Joseph Tribbiani's disturbingly unskilled portrayal of the king.
Okay, look, that is one guy's opinion.
Yeah.
All right? Phoebes, read yours.
Okay. The only thing worse than the mindless adolescent direction is just...
Mindless.
What do you say we make these coffees Irish?
Cake!
Yeah, we're gonna get some cake.
You know, it seems like you've been making an awful lot of stuff Irish lately.
Well, it would make them Belgian, but the waffles are hard to get into that flask.
Flask.
Follow me. Subscribe now.
Subscribe.